When we see the word factorize, we should look for a common factor. So is there a number or a letter that will divide into each term? That's x squared plus x and negative 42. There is no number and no letter that will go into each term, and so we know that we will not be removing a common factor. And the highest power is a square, so this is known as a quadratic, and we will be able to factorize this into two brackets. We have x squared plus x means plus 1x, and then subtract 42. We know that this is going to go into two brackets, and the brackets must start with an x, because x multiplied by x will give the x squared at the front. So the rule that you have to learn is that you are looking for two numbers that will multiply to give you the number at the end, and will add to give you the number in the middle. You might be good with numbers and can see it very quickly. You may take longer, so write down numbers that might multiply to make minus 42. So we could try 2 multiplied by negative 21. That will give you minus 42, but they will not add up to give you plus 1. You could switch the negatives around. That will still give you negative 42, but will not add up to make plus 1. An obvious pair of numbers that will make 42 would be 7 and 6. One of them must be a negative, because we need to get negative 42. So we can try 7 multiplied by negative 6, which gives us negative 42. If you add these two numbers together, 7 added to minus 6 is 7 take away 6, which is plus 1, which is what we need. So our missing numbers are plus 7 in one of the brackets and minus 6 in the other bracket. So this should be the answer. What we should do, if we have time, is multiply out our answer and make sure it gives us what we started with. So if we multiply the two brackets together, we get x multiplied by x is x squared, x multiplied by negative 6 is negative 6x, 7 multiplied by x is plus 7x, and plus 7 multiplied by negative 6 gives you minus 42. So this gives us x squared, and then negative 6x add 7x will give us plus 1x minus 42, and that is what we started with, so we should be correct.